the law of attractions and how you can use these tools to manifest your desire, your dreams, and to get anything you want in your life. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about the law of attractions and how you can use these tools to manifest your desire, your dreams, and to get anything you want in your life. Law of attractions has been a mystery to many people. What is it? Does it really work? You see, every second and every moment you are consciously or unconsciously activating this law of attractions. If you haven't heard about the law of attractions yet, basically is using the power of your thoughts and your emotions to get the things that you wanted in your life. But there's a catch to it. You need to be in the right state of mind, clarity, as well as in a positive mode of state in order to achieve the things that you want. The law of attractions basically is spread into 3 steps, which is ask, believe, and receive. I'm going to break it down to a little bit more to practical steps that you can adopt in order to have this ask, believe, and receive into your life. So let's start with ask. The first thing first, when you want to ask for something, you need to know what exactly you want in your life. In a positive terms, what do you want in life? You do not want to say like, I do not want to be poor. That's not the case. You wanted to put it in this, I wanted an abundant life. I want to be more confident. I want to be a confident person. So you need to know exactly what you're asking for. What do you want in life? And the second thing is, I would suggest you to journal it down or script it up. To script it up in the sense that you have to take a paper, take a journal. I prefer journals because you can literally write down what exactly do you want to manifest in your life. You can put it as vivid as possible about things that you want. The next point you can do is to create a dream board, or people call it a vision board. I just call it a dream board. So you get a bunch of magazines, or you can just Google a lot of pictures online that resonates very highly with you. Cut them out, put them in a board, really decorate it nicely so that you feel good about it. Know that everything that you put on that dream board, it is all achievable. Now let's go to the next steps, belief. The first thing you want to do is to visualize. Remember the things that you have already wrote down in your journals or diaries about what you want. Now I want you to take into a step further to visualize it using all your senses. When you visualize it, make it as clear as possible. The feelings, amplify the feelings, what you see, what you do, who are you with, and how the things is gonna happen. Visualize it as clear as possible, because the more clear you visualize it, the better it gets. The next step is to act as if. For example, you wanted to make sure yourself to be a confident person. You want to get that, to make that happen. So in order to be a confident person, you wanted to know about how a confident person would stand. How would they talk? How would they present themselves? How would they dress? You wanted to know, and that to act it as if it is within your every fiber of your body, because the more you do it, the more confident you become. Now the next steps would be on beliefs. Beliefs is one of the foundations that makes us who we are, so to say. Okay, so we have adopted a lot of beliefs in our past, when in our childhoods and stuff like that. Some of them are serving and some of them are totally unserving at all. For example, you wanted to be a confident person, and sometimes you have these little voices in your head that tells you like, hello, come on, you can't do that, you're not confident enough. Okay, stop right there. Caught that thoughts, be aware of that thoughts, acknowledge it and give a thanks to it. Be grateful for that thought that came out. And now what you want to do, you're gonna want to flip it around. Okay, you flip it around to say that, okay, yeah, I can't do that now, but I'm gonna learn how to do it. So that you're flipping yourself around and also taking actions in order to ingrain it a little bit more about the new beliefs that you wanted to adopt. So make sure that all the beliefs that you wanted are serving you towards what you want. The next things we're going to cover is about affirmations. Affirmations, some people say affirmation doesn't work, but in reality it does work. You need to have affirmations that resonates with you. That's what I found out, that you need to have affirmations that resonates with you. It's not about, you get a bunch of affirmations from the internet or the books and then you just start to read it. For me, it doesn't really work that way, because affirmations have to be something that resonates with you, that, I know I can do this, I know I can achieve and adopt these affirmations. I would suggest you to just pick, there's a bunch of affirmation out there. Just pick 2 to 3 affirmations to start off with, and to have that like in a mantra in your head the whole day, and then just to have that ingrained in your mind, whatever it is. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, I'm good, I'm confident, I can do this, I can do this easily and effortlessly. Whatever the affirmation works for you, adopt it. And the last but not least is receive. That's the most fun part. So when you wanted to receive certain things, the first thing I would do is to be in gratitude. That means be thankful for all the things I have, and be thankful for all the things that is coming my way, okay? Especially the things that you wanted to manifest. So the more thankful you are, the more grateful you are, the more you put yourself in a higher vibrational state, and the more easier things comes into your life. Remember, what you send out, you attract back. So when you send out a positive thoughts, the positive things will come back into your life. The next, let go and trust. Okay, I find this a little bit tricky because it's not easy for us to let things go, especially the things that we wanted so much. But you have to understand, when we want things so much so that we want it too much, sometimes we start to repel the energy away. So you need to be able to, I have these things that I wanted to manifest, I wanted to achieve in my life, and I wanted to send it out to the universe. So this is the part where, I visualize it, I'm happy with it, I am so grateful for the things that is coming my way, and you can even imagine like a bubble, like sending it out to the universe. It's really fun to do. You just send it out and have trust that the universe is gonna deliver to you no matter what. The next one, you need to be in alignment of what you wanted to achieve in life, especially your emotions, which is in alignment. Because what you thought, sometimes what we are thinking, but we do not feel it, that it's gonna happen, or I want this but I don't feel that it's gonna no, it's not gonna happen. That's not gonna work that way. So you want to be aware of your emotions other than your beliefs, so that you are in alignment, because you need to vibrate higher in a state where it is the same vibrations, where the universes or the things that you wanted to manifest is. Because when it vibrates and it comes together, then your manifestation is gonna happen. Always be aware. Make sure that you're always in a good, positive state all the time, and be in a grateful state. And the last but not least, actions. I cannot say that enough. Actions. If you're thinking about, you want to manifest like to be a confident person, or you 100,000 in your bank account, and you're sitting there watch TV every day, whole day, every single day, that's not gonna happen. The money is not just gonna drop up from the skies to you. Come on, let's be real about it. So you need to take actions, but you need to take inspired actions, because the actions that you're gonna take is to bring you closer to what you want to manifest. For example, you wanted to be a more confident person. You might want to start checking out and reading up. It's like, body language, how people dress, about personal grooming, and all these kind of things, which will gonna make you more knowledgeable, more understandings about how to be a confident person, how would they stand and everything. Because the more you know, the more you are confident about things, and then you're able to bring this out for you as well, and manifestations comes really, really fast in that sense. So make sure you take inspired actions. So those are my tips about the law of attractions, and there's 3 basic steps. If you would like to see more other videos, I do comment below. Remember to subscribe and to click the bell so that I can see you in the next video. Thank you so much for staying with me. Namaste. Bye. Love y'all.